Hey cake lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you a really delicious, super quick chocolate cake recipe. This recipe has no eggs and no butter. Let's get started. So we're just gonna mix all our dry ingredients together, and I just sifted my flour and cocoa powder, and I added some sugar and baking powder as well as baking soda, and I'll just mix them really well. And now it's time to add all our wet ingredients. In goes my milk and lemon juice as well as vanilla and cooking oil. It's a one bowl recipe guys. It's super easy. Remember, I got you covered with all the easy recipes, and we're just gonna mix that well, and it's super soft. You can see how silky it is. And I just prepared my pan by lining with some parchment paper as well and spraying with some cooking spray, and I'm just gonna tap it down to release any air bubble, and it's ready for cooking. Oh yeah, we are cooking this cake again. And I just added in some water. I just want to create a little bit of steam. This is really optional, it's just my personal preference. I just want this cake super moist. So I'm just gonna cover with some foil paper, and I'm cooking that for 30 to 35 minutes, and it's ready guys. It's ready. You can see how super quick this recipe is. It is amazing guys. It is so fluffy, it is moist. You have to try this recipe. I love it so much guys. You can see the outcome of this recipe guys. So guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family guys. Remember, Bake with Chini is all about easy. I make easy recipes customizable to your kitchen. I love you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.